Hello guys, so if you're planning to go out for the winter trip, here are top 5 picks. So you can choose to go out for winter camping. As you can see here, this is our jacket, this is the KingCamp jacket. So I think this is the must-have thing for our KingCamp products. So we'll try to wear the jacket and show you how it works. Alright. To tell you guys that this is a windproof and waterproof jacket, so it will be really helpful when you guys go out in the winter. So the second thing I'm going to show you is our 50 plus F5P KingCamp bag. So you can see there are multiple pockets in the KingCamp bag, and it's really helpful with the inlet air inflow and outflow. So, and this has a huge capacity, so you can put anything you want in it. You can see inside, you can see the back side, and you can also see the front side. So the next thing here is our mattress. This is the inflatable, very light mattress, so we can take it anywhere, especially when you're going out camping in the winter. It's really helpful because you cannot sleep on the ground. Definitely you will be needing a lot of heat from down and up, so this will be really helpful, and it's pretty small and handy, so you can easily cover your backpack. So I'm going to put it inside. Alright, and here we have a KingCamp Thermos, which is going to keep you warm, especially in the winter nights out. It gets really chilly, so you can see it's the total thermos in and out. You can put hot and warm water in it, and then you can take it with you during the camping trip. So this is our fourth product, and then our best product is KingCamp Camper 300, and you can see it's pretty handy. You can easily pick it up and easy to pack, put it in your backpack, and you can go anywhere with it. One thing you guys need to know is that this is, you need to check on the comfort level. It's 8 centigrade, so it's very comfortable when it's 8 centigrades. When it's 3, it's normal, and then when it's really chilly, we do not recommend it to use behind or below -7 centigrade. So KingCamp Camper 300 is a perfect product for winter camping trip. So, and it can easily come in your backpack. So that's all for our top 5 backpack trips for the winter products. Thank you so much, and keep following us.